The initial stage of hair transplantation starts with our clinic doctor planning out the entire procedure. Then patient's hair in the donor area, where hair follicles are obtained, is shaved. Local anesthesia is administered to the donor area to obtain these hair follicles. These hair-bearing grafts are removed from the skin via a device called micromotor. Hair follicles are collected from the donor area. The hair grafts are classified according to the number of hair follicles they contain, such as 1 follicle, 2 follicle, 3 follicle, and more, and placed 2 petri dishes. Following this, hair transplant holes are created with sapphire blades. Hair follicles are inserted in these holes created. For the first result is seen in 6 months. The hair growth process will continue until the 18th month. You are always welcome to NEOM Clinic for the best hair transplantation results.